is up, everybody? Welcome back to Soleil Sunday Spooky Edition. It's officially October, so that means my Halloween series is getting started. I can't believe it. This year is really winding down, but first I am going in with my new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette by Morphe. I recently purchased this because they had a big sale, and I literally got it, I think, for like $12, and it's originally like $40, so I couldn't really pass it up because I had been eyeing this palette for honestly a year or two now. So I was like, well, you know what, I can't turn back on it now, so I'm gonna buy it. But anyway, I'm going in with that first that kind of true red shade in the palette, and I am using that as my transition. And by the way, for this week's tutorial, I'm doing Scarlet Witch from the Marvel universe. I was specifically inspired to do this time around because of the recent Doctor Strange movie, the Multiverse of Madness. She's obviously the villain, so she plays a big part in the film. So yeah, I wanted to give my spin on her. Yeah. And next, I am taking that deep burgundy shade in the palette, and I am taking my e.l.f. crease brush, and I am applying that shade to my crease. And I'm applying that same burgundy shade to my lower lash line to smoke it out. And I wanted to deepen it up just a little bit more since she's very dark in the film. So I'm going in with the black shade in the palette, and I am just lightly dusting that over the burgundy. And I'm also going to put that on my lower lash line as well. And next, I'm going in with that kind of blood red in the palette, and I'm going to put that all over my lid with my e.l.f. Packer brush. And I show it eventually, but I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette. It's kind of like a bone white kind of matte shade, and I'm applying that into my inner corner. And voila, I've applied my mascara and my eyelashes off camera. I took my Kiss So Wispy lashes for this look, and now going in with my lip. At first I started out with that deeper brown lip liner, but really I was looking for my burgundy, and for some reason I couldn't find it, but I eventually did find it. And so I'm actually gonna go over the brown with the burgundy. The lips were honestly a little bit of trial and error today, but at first I went in with my Morphe matte lipstick in the shade, I want to say it's the shade like peanut or pecan or something like that. And even though it is a very pretty shade and I will wear it in the future, for this look it's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted like more of a red, and so the packaging was a little deceiving. I thought it was going to be a deeper red than it was. It's honestly a little bit more of like a terracotta kind of color. Still pretty, but not for this look. So I actually wound up going in with my Juvia's Place lipstick. I forget the name of the shade, but it is more of that kind of deeper scarlet red. And now I'm just setting my face and using my trusty dusty automatic fan. And that honestly completes the look. Now I'm just gonna add those last pieces to really make it the full effect of the Scarlet Witch. And there she is. Voila. Got my little headpiece, got the red wig. Okay, I was really feeling the fantasy. All right, I even have my little red light. Yes. And something else I did, I put black shadow all over my fingertips, because if you notice in the film, her fingers are quite black. So I put my little spin on that as well. But I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It's definitely getting me in the spooky mood. And I can't wait for next week's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll be back with another. Bye.